Hi everyone, today UK International is back with another Brazilian makeup tutorial. अगर आप भी ये look सीखना चाहते हैं तो इस look को end तक देखिए. Let's start. We started with color correction followed by concealing and then we did the foundation. Now is the time for cream contour and we did it in more sculpted way. Right after this we did highlighting, cream blush show to the entire face and collarbones. Then one by one blending them all together. To enhance the features we did powder highlighting, powder blush on and some bronzing. For eyeshadow, I started with hot pink in inner corners and blending it with warm orange color and then exaggerating the hot pink towards the temple points of the face. After a smooth transition, it's time to cut the crease with a white color and we did it so and making it neat and crisp to prepare it as a canvas. We started with electric blue color to give a graphic effect on eyelids in a sharp liner way and filling bright yellow into it. Blending it all together to create a perfect color blend. To enhance the negative area, we added electric orange and the negative area we created that so made the entire design crisp with the foundation. Later on, we added the electric yellow eyeliner and blue as a drop shadow to complete the look. For the final look, we added holographic chunks on the eyelids and did the required touch-ups on the entire face. Now it's time to create those bold, pouty and juicy lips along with the entire touch-ups on the face. For creating those bold and pouty lips, we outlined the dark brown lip color and added a soft yellow pink and gloss into it. So, the final look is here and I hope this was very informative for you guys. Don't forget to save the tutorial and recreate it and yes, tag us. Stay tuned for more tutorial. Bye-bye.